In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track UTM codes in Google Analytics. Before we jump in, a quick reminder of what we're looking for. UTM codes are the tags you add to your links, like UTM-source, UTM-medium, and UTM-HA campaign. In Google Analytics, these show up as session source, session medium, and session campaign, and they let you see exactly where your traffic is coming from and which campaigns are driving results. Start by opening your Google Analytics account and heading to the Reports workspace on the left. From there, choose the Generate Leads section. This area groups the key reports that help you understand how users are finding you, which is perfect for evaluating campaigns. Inside Generate Leads, open the Traffic Acquisition Report. This report focuses on where sessions originate and is the best place to read UTM data at a glance. Once the report loads, look at the table. If it isn't already showing it, change the primary dimension to session source/medium. This combines the UTM+source and UTM/medium values, so you can see, for example, Google/CPC or newsletter/email. Now, to break results down by specific campaigns, click the plus icon above the table to add a secondary dimension. In the search box that appears, type campaign and select Session Campaign. You'll now see your traffic grouped by source/medium with the associated campaign names pulled directly from your UTM campaign tags. To focus on email specifically, use the search or filter control above the table and type email. This narrows the rows to entries where the medium includes email, such as newsletter/email or partner.email. With Session Campaign visible as the secondary dimension, you can immediately spot which email campaigns are driving sessions and compare their engagement metrics side by side, like engaged sessions, conversions, or key events, depending on what you've set up. What you're viewing here is effectively a filtered look at UTM/medium equals email, with UTM/campaign listed for clarity. If you see gaps, it usually means the links weren't tagged correctly. Make sure your email links consistently use UTM source, UTM and medium set to email, and a clear UTM campaign name so they roll up cleanly in this report. That's it. By opening reports, going to Generate Leads, choosing Traffic Acquisition, switching to Session Source/medium, adding Session Campaign with the plus icon, and filtering for email, you can quickly verify your UTM tracking and identify the email campaigns that are delivering traffic and results.